Hey, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for being part of Criminal Justice. I just want to take a moment to introduce myself. I'm Mr. Truby, and I'll be your teacher for the foreseeable future. And I just want to make sure that you have a good idea of who I am. And before I start off with, just this is my actual handwriting, not very good. And so again, I won't be doing a lot of writing per se, because as you can tell, it looks like chicken scratch. And just overall, that's the first thing to introduce about myself. I am not my handwriting is not very good. Just like to introduce you to my family, my wife and son in the picture over here with me, and Jack. I've been married now for about 10 years. Very lucky, love my wife quite a lot, and we have a 5-year-old son named Jack. We hear quite a little bit about. This is Ruby Truby hanging out with me, probably watching a Steelers game. I did not name Ruby. It's my wife came up with that awesome name, and she is about 9 years old now, and is just an awesome dog and great with my son, and just really very happy to be with my family. I was very lucky to go to school at Freedom High School in the Bethlehem Area School District. Got a great education there. I actually learned want to become a teacher there. My freshman year, I had a great history teacher that really just inspired me. I went on after Freedom to go to Shippensburg University. Here you have an aerial shot of ship. And just that's where I got my degree in social studies and teaching. I then went on to Wilkes University online school and got 2 degrees from Wilkes University, both in online education and teaching classroom technology, and just really both great schools. Very lucky, love SHIP, love Freedom, and I really enjoyed Wilkes. Over the past 12 years, I've taught at a lot of different places. I've been very lucky to be at some really great schools. First school I ever taught at was at Nitchman Middle School in the Bethlehem Area School District. Fantastic place, great people, enjoyed myself, taught 7th grade history there. Then I went on to teach at Liberty High School for quite some time, and it was a great experience. Really loved it at Liberty High School, unfortunately that didn't last. I got let go in 2008 because of economic downturn. After that, I spent a little bit of time in the private sector teaching, but then I got called back to go to Freedom High School, and I was only at Freedom High School for about a semester when I got the offer to be the head football coach and also teach back at Liberty High School. So it was an awesome opportunity. Loved teaching at Freedom for the short duration I was there. Loved being at Nitchman, but I really loved being at Liberty High School. Definitely feel like it's the great place and awesome place to be a teacher and awesome place to be a football coach. One of the things about me is I'm an avid sports fan. One of the big teams that I love the most is the Steelers. The Steelers and Ohio State are both teams that pretty much I've loved since I was born, and just a great city. I was born in Pittsburgh. My dad had friends that played at Ohio State, so really just in my household, you were going to be a Steelers fan and a Buckeye fan. I jumped on the bandwagon of North Carolina back in 1993. Before that's Michael Jordan, if you didn't know. Before Michael, it was after Michael was there, but they won the national title in 1993, and I've been a fan ever since. And I'm also a really big sports fan of the football team I coached, Liberty High School. Really very lucky. I've been there the past 8 seasons, and just really enjoyed working with the young men there and just the people around, and just really just an avid fan of Liberty High School and also Liberty High School sports. Ladies and gentlemen, just want to talk about overall that my 2 favorite things, and this is supposed to be the best are, in my opinion, the best TV show and the best book that I've read recently. The best TV show is The Wire. I will be talking about The Wire. It's all about criminal justice. Please ask your parents to watch The Wire. You can watch it on Amazon Prime, HBO Go. 5 seasons are just fantastic. It's all about criminal justice inside the city of Baltimore. Next one is this book, Eric Larson. It's called The Devil in the White City by Eric Larson. Fantastic. It's about the first American serial killer. Really great book overall. Highly recommend it. You should go out and give it a look. Really good overall. I used to really like movies, but ever since streaming, I haven't been able to really sit through a movie anymore and just been more focusing on TV shows. But overall, those are my my favorite book and my favorite TV show. So I do have a couple hobbies I like to finish with, and they involve indoor, outdoors, and sometimes a little bit of both. I really like being outdoors as much as possible, and the 2 things I really enjoy, especially during the summertime, love summer. I love golfing, and I am an awful golfer. I am not good. I am not going to be leaving teaching to go on the PGA Tour. This is actually a picture from one of my favorite places, Rum Point down in Ocean City, Maryland. Just a great place to go golfing and just really enjoy it. But again, not good at it and just enjoy being outside, I think, mostly. I'm starting to really enjoy grilling. Grilling is a big part of what I do during the summer. I try to grill as much as possible and really just getting really good at doing a lot of certain different things, and grilling is a lot of fun. But I also like being indoors a little bit. I really love listening to music. My Apple AirPod Pros are fantastic. They are a great tool, something I use to really just unwind and listen to music. I listen to everything. No, I generally just like almost anything, and just would just have to be in the mood for it. And another thing I really like to do is play PlayStation. I really like my PS4. It's a lot of fun to sit back and just relax and just enjoy. I sometimes don't even listen. I just listen to music. I don't even listen to what's going on in the game, and just really seem to enjoy myself. And it's a good way to unwind. But those are my four main hobbies.